Today I'm sharing this Disney Macy's Stoney Clover Lane Small Zippered pouch, and if you're a Disney fan, this is such a cute little accessory. The first thing that I noticed is the retro 1950s Mickey Mouse and Friends print. It features Mickey, Minnie, and the gang in a vintage-inspired design that feels nostalgic and colorful. It's part of a limited edition collaboration, which makes it even special for Disney collectors. The pouch measures 9.5 by 5 inches, so it's compact but surprisingly roomy. I found that it's a great size for organizing makeup, keeping chargers and cords together, or storing small travel essentials so they don't get lost in a larger bag. Overall, if you love Disney or you're looking for a cute way to stay organized, this pouch is both practical and collectible. It's one of those accessories that's fun to use every day or while traveling, while adding a little Disney magic to your bag. You can get these right now on Macy's, but get it soon before it sells out completely.